Welcome to this technical comparison of single-door versus double-door refrigeration systems. We will compare these systems based on three key factors: capacity, cooling technology, and energy use. Size defines capacity, design dictates cooling technology, and features determine energy consumption. Single-door refrigerators typically offer a capacity of 100 to 250 liters. They use a single door to seal both the freezer and fresh food compartments. These units utilize direct cool technology, where cold air sinks naturally. Users must manually defrost the freezer compartment due to ice buildup. Double-door refrigerators provide a larger capacity, ranging from 250 to 600 liters. Separate doors isolate the different cooling zones, improving temperature control. They employ frost-free technology. Internal fans circulate the cold air, which automatically prevents the buildup of ice and eliminates the need for manual defrosting. Here is a summary of the differences. Single doors offer lower capacity and require manual defrosting with direct cool. Double doors have higher capacity, automated defrosting, and frost-free cooling. Single door units generally consume less electricity. Double door units, with more fans and heaters, use more power. However, inverter compressors help double door units save energy by adjusting motor speed. A key design feature of some double door models is a bottom freezer drawer. Cold air sinks, and solid drawers trap it effectively. This design also allows fresh food to be accessed at eye level. To maintain optimal efficiency, regardless of the type, remember these three maintenance steps: clean condenser coils, frequently defrost direct cool units, and inspect door seals for leaks. Installation requirements also differ. Single doors need a wide swing arc. Narrow double doors protrude less into the room. Always ensure proper space for ventilation, as per installation manuals. Single-door units generally have a lower purchase price and low monthly running costs. Double-door units have a higher purchase price and a higher monthly running cost. Recommend a single-door refrigerator for clients living alone or with minimal space. For clients with a large family or who buy food in bulk, a double-door unit is recommended. In conclusion, match the refrigerator capacity to the user's needs, understand the airflow mechanics of the unit, and always review installation manuals before deployment.